Today we will invite you as partners to reflect with us honestly on how ACT has contributed to strengthening feminist movements in Africa and where persistent barriers remain. How well are our approaches to accountability, accompaniment, and resourcing? How well are they responding to the real needs of civil society? And how cross-regional connections have evolved? What is required to deepen the solidarity and joint action as we move forward?
The UN has in nearly all the countries as a gender theme group. We have gender theme groups in 100 countries out of 130. So you should know about this gender theme group. You should know who's leading this gender theme group and how can you approach them. Generally, it's UN Women, but not always. In some cases, UNFPA, in some cases, it's also others. And those are critical spaces where the UN gets together to coordinate on how to advocate better on gender equality at the country level, how to push for a certain law in support of your work, in support of your advocacy and the incredible work that you're doing.
We realized that there's little knowledge about the African Charter on Human Rights and the Maputo Protocol. And this is an area we realize that if we don't get into understanding the frameworks with which we are working with, this is what the anti-rights movement is working towards, to weaken what we are working.
We've been able to expand the network that we are working with, which is the West and Central African Women Rights Coalition, as is the coalition arm for WACO. So we've had membership expansion across the West and Central Africa, and then our research to practice too, that has translated real-world knowledge production to practice through this pilot initiative.
Our work has primarily been in three focus areas or activities. One, we set out to map the commitment makers and assess the progress with the commitments. And two, we set out to facilitate dialogues and webinars with GBV AC stakeholders. And lastly, our focus was on engaging at regional, national, and global advocacy roundtable spaces and platforms.